Yung mga tao na nai-involve sa mga third party situation, mga secret relationships, entanglement, or yung mga lagi na lang nasa nasa ano, relasyon na ano, yung tinatawag nilang forbidden love. Most of the time, or actually, meron yung silang mga placements sa kanilang natal chart na nagpapakita na ganun talaga. Usually, yung mga may heavy placement sa Pisces, Sagittarius, Gemini, tapos merong seventh house air sign, especially Gemini, and then heavy 12th house placements, especially the Venus. Okay, yung kanilang Venus is in the 12th house, Venus in Pisces, Venus in Gemini, Venus in Sagittarius. So sila yung most of the time ganun. Nasa napupunta sa mga entangled relationships. So, yung ibang sabihin, eh bakit ano, yung isa Capricorn naman. Kasi ang alam nyo lang yung sun, ah, yung kung kailan siya pinanganak. Pero yung pinaka-birth chart niya, hindi mo alam. Pwedeng yung kanyang Venus is nasa 12th house. Yung Venus in Pisces siya. O kaya Venus in Gemini. Or 7th house niya is Gemini or Pisces. So, ito kasi yung mga signs na mutable. Sila yung pabago-bago ng isip, sila yung may somehow duality. Like for example, mga Gemini, hindi sila makapag-decide kung sino yung gusto nila. Or alam mo yun, kaya hindi ka makapag-decide, so you just let the options come in. Parang ganon. So, when you finally understood, yung blueprint, so which is the natal chart, you will realize na it's all by design. Kumbaga, that person or that we call native ay nandito to learn something about these kinds of relationship, yung entanglement. So when you see that, hindi mo na sila i-judge kasi yun yung experience na kailangan nilang maranasan. Yun yung situation na kailangan nilang maranasan until such time na ma-master na nila yon at ma-realize na nila, matutunan nila yung lesson about that certain placement. So, magkakaroon na ng evolution. Mag-evolve na sila. And then, they are going to, parang ipupulfill na nila yung kanilang purpose and then on to the next na. Like, on to the next mission, kumbaga. So, marami tayong areas of life that we need to accomplish, we need to experience so that we can learn. So kapag naging aware na tayo dyan, hindi na natin i-judge yung ibang tao na, bakit siya ganyan or bakit siya ganito. Kasi part yun ng experience niya.